Go.
Hi boys and girls, today we're going to learn how to use our glue stick. This is a tool we use a lot in kindergarten. So the first thing we need to learn about is how to take the cap off your glue stick. If your glue stick's tough like mine, you might need to use a little trick. And the trick I use is I twist the cap and I pull at the same time. Okay? So now I want you to get your glue stick and I want you to open your glue stick. And if you can't get it open, try my little trick. Twist and pull. Now go ahead. Now once your glue stick cap is off, we need to practice moving our glue up and down so that we can use it better. In order to move the purple glue up or down, we need to twist the bottom part. If we twist it to the right, our glue stick goes up, and if we twist it to the left, our glue stick goes down. And notice I'm doing it very slowly because I don't want to do it really fast and make my glue stick out really far or it will break. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and carefully twist your glue stick up just a little bit, just like mine. Make your glue stick look like mine. Great job. Now we're ready to glue. But first we need some supplies. So I need you to get out a red square. Get yourself a green square, a blue square, and a yellow square. And lay them in front of you. And then the last thing you need is a piece of paper with boxes on it. And I want you to write your name right on the line up here. And if you don't know how to write your name, try your very best. Go ahead. Now, once you have all your supplies, we're going to be gluing on some of our squares onto our paper. The first square I want you to glue on is your red square. And what I want you to do is put the glue right on the red square. And you're going to go around the edges of the square, and you're going to do this gently. You don't need to push very hard. The glue will go on the paper. You might have to go over it a couple times. And then put glue in the middle. I can see where my glue is going because it's purple, but it will dry clear. Notice I don't have any chunks on my piece of paper. If I have chunks, that means I'm pushing too hard and I'm going to ruin my glue stick. Now the last thing I need to do is glue my red square onto my paper. I'm going to lay it where I want it, and then I'm just going to go like this to make sure it gets stuck to the paper. We're going to do the same thing for each color, for our green square, our blue square, and our yellow square. Remember, we put our glue on our piece of paper we want to glue down. Go around the edges. Make sure you get all the corners, and then put a little in the middle. Notice I didn't cover the whole thing with glue. And then I'm going to lay it where I want it, and I'm going to rub it down just to make sure it sticks. So once you've glued on all of your squares, the last thing that you need to remember to do is always twist your glue stick back down, and then I'm ready to put my cap on my glue stick. And I'm going to push it down and listen for this sound. If you hear that sound, you know your glue stick is nice and tightly closed. Great job, boys and girls!